Yeah, so the month of January has been a very tough month for Wendy Shay because there's been a lot of issues, there's been a lot of brouhaha surrounding the brand Wendy Shay and also the personality Wendy Shay. And the latest person to talk about her or to add her voice on Wendy Shay's ongoing issue is Mzbel, where she labeled Wendy Shay's response to Keche Joshua as childish. Okay, guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on To Keche TV. And as always, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, so let me take you guys back to the genesis of this particular story if you don't know the issues surrounding Wendy Shay and also why Mzbel even added her voice to this particular issue. Yeah, so earlier this year, or let me say some few weeks ago, delay on one of her episode of her show, that the delay show actually made some remarks about Wendy Shay, talking about her dressing, Wendy Shay's latest look, and the fact that Wendy Shay might be going through something and all that. And also she also went further to talk about the fact that Wendy Shay has unfollowed her on Instagram. And so this particular issue became a very long issue, back and forth and all that. Wendy Shay had to record a live video explaining herself, saying that delay, not knowing delay had unfollowed her long time ago, and that she even did not even know and all that, and she unfollowed delay back. It's not based on even, there's nothing wrong with she following delay back, and she has a choice. She can choose to follow who she wants to follow, and a whole lot of issues. Guys, I have the video on our channel. I'll even put a video in the description button below so you check that particular content out as well. Yes, so like I said earlier, so Wendy Shay has been having this back and forth and all that, and also the latest to be added to this particular brouhaha was the fact that Wendy Shay had a video being pulled down saying that her latest video, her latest song, Pray to the World or Pray for the World, had a resemblance or similarity to Master Keche's Jerusalem song, and that video was actually pulled down or taken down on YouTube. And when she was very sad, it really got to her and all that. And so through this issue, Keche Joshua, that's the other half of Keche. So Keche is made up of Keche Joshua and Keche Andrew. So Keche Joshua made a video, where he was seen mocking when she's saying that when she is going through something, and he was laughing and all that. Guys, that particular video, wherever, if you have not seen that video, guys, watch the video and we'll come back to talk more about this particular issue.
I sit down when they say, "Oh, forbidden, Bibi sounds so forbidden." When you say, "Oh, funny,"
yeah, so as I said earlier, the video went viral and people were asking why Keche Joshua would do such a thing. I mean, an experienced artist like Keche Joshua, who has been in the industry for a very long time, mocking a fellow female artist, which was so uncalled for me. It was so unnecessary, and I don't know why he did do that video to trend. And if he did that to trend, guys, he did it for the wrong reason, because right now it has actually had a dent on his brand, or the Keche brand as a whole. Yeah, so this particular issue became a very huge issue. And when he said did not let the matter lie, when he also gave Keche Joshua a suitable response, or took Keche Joshua where he belongs. So when he actually took to Twitter or social media, and that's what when he actually wrote to Keche Joshua. When he said, "Keche Joshua, are you not ashamed of yourself? Your wife should be ashamed of you, an old artist mocking a fellow young artist who is a woman. They will do worse things to your daughter. For your info, I'm not on drugs and I'm not going through anything. Hater, bring back Pray for the World." Yeah, so as I said, when she was going through a lot already before, Keche Joshua also added, his unnecessary comment on what she was actually going through. And when she is saying that she is not going through anything, she's perfectly okay, and she does not know why people are saying she's going through something. And it's because of her current looks, the fact that she has done a lot of piercing and all that. She feels that's what she wants to do, and I mean, nobody can tell her how she wants to live her life and all that. No, but she does not owe anybody how she wants to live her life. Yeah, so she gave this particular response to Keche Joshua. Has not responded to this particular to that when she made. Yeah, so this particular issue was also on the table on Nanaba McBrown's United Showbiz show, where pundits were discussing. So we had the likes of Mzbel, A+, Kofi Asamoah, and Adon Asamoah Bedu and all that. So Mzbel was asked her opinion on the ongoing, beef, or let me say, brouhaha between Keche Joshua and Wendy Shay. And according to Mzbel, she saw Wendy Shay's response to Keche as so childish. Guys, before I come out to even react to this particular comment that Mzbel made, watch the video or listen to the interview, and we'll come back to talk about this particular issue proper.
2021 yenya wunia wo ekoso bia wo afem bibi da wani ma obaya
da mani mu ame but mpesa be kan bibi fa de aficha kojo ka fa Keche any Wendy Shay no ho me pa je say ampa say Wendy Shay e fa bibi mu na say wo Keche wo na wo ani a edi hu na we hu a enye social media so na say anko bet na e kan because obi fa bibi mu a na ya ade e say wo ben na wo ben ni pa ben no na kana mo hwe na mo fa kwan so mo boa no. But bet na social media.
And also the word you are going through something like for bibi mu. Anya dia ye ka esre.
I don't know why.
Exactly.
Yeah, because so unim say obi efa bibi mu a.
E wo say wo boa no.
Kan kwa ensre. But what did I mention as?
When you must make man na unya opportunity one kabra.
You had
the opportunity, you didn't say it, so you just okay. So me oka someone me share video no. I can makoma because so be ko bibi mu na se wo wani a wodi mu e bia nipa aka yin ni a yedi hu. Wo na we hu. Na wo kan na wo sere, which means aya wo de se nipa na ko bibi mu. It is wrong. When we say nipa na ko bibi mu a Catcher na say catcher nipa ben. And when Shay soon reply the buy, it's rather unfortunate, but I won't blame her because she's very young. And be on TRC. And Wendy on Kobe BM. And I would suggest say Wendy Shay before Obabe ye video be about possibly no on contacted bullets because bullets no on the industry
management
or bullets
bullets
bullets any mu industry no wa fa nema bebre mu pen enti say when the beba be post people on the page on contacted bullets and our post because that her response to Keche was very childish because adia Keche Joshua and Joshua ne friend.
Yeah. But and the childish they miss me no nya drink.
Mama wie munya o chance wanka. And adia Keche torn no e kafa Wendy no eye me ya pa and I Wendy but Wendy so response no say yawo enim because me share sa video no I say me mfe BBM me okay and blah blah but no from the way I okasa I need from their way kan na respond no I think say na say ko hia panyin bi say obeto ne fans na be respond na was
anka to me to mo for sa
yes and penny for to yen for yefa and next time when the BB say no be kan contact bullet and
contact impenophobia na
why are you interrupting
the
time is short
obi ka wasem na obe respond be say me bisa say omo contact
yeah post
ama we dey me bele me
ko
na Mzbel ka hwe nanim
say bia obe video bia I am impenophobia frel and now frel me show video we
am me show nanim bi
so show nanim
but obe yi ma no na
okay, intimenko.
No, me Wendy Shay. The response no child.
Because me bisa say then now year 2021.
Me will be for 2021, but we no ahame. And I feel say she should know this and then work on it.
Okay.
Next time we can be say fan no be respond there. Oh no, I was so fino, but on bisa bullets answer.
Yeah, guys, so you heard it all from Mzbel. Mzbel was saying that Wendy Shay's response very childish, and that if anything at all, she should resort to her manager Bullets, who will help her, attend to the issue proper and all that. I think I agree with Mzbel, but the fact that she says Wendy Shay's response was childish is what I don't get. But artists are emotional human beings, and they want to put out what they feel. So I feel that when Shay put out how she felt about Keche's reply or Keche's comment on her issue, how she felt, she put it out there like that. And for me, I think although she went too far by cursing and those things were unnecessary, but it's not everything. I agree with Mzbel also saying that it's not everything that you come on social media and come and talk about it and all that. No, certain things are best said, not attended to, or not said at all. I mean, they're just best responded to by not replying. As some people say, silence is golden. So yeah, for that note, I agree on that particular point. I agree with Mzbel for Wendy Shay, saying Wendy Shay, I mean, was childish in that particular state. Yeah. So guys, what do you think about this particular issue? Join the conversation. Let me hear from you in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. Do you think Wendy Shay is going through something, or you think it's normal? And what is your take on Mzbel's reply? Was Keche Joshua's response also necessary or unnecessary? Let me hear from you in the comment section. Also, don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at odate_gh, and on Instagram is at odate.gh. Okay, follow me and let's get interactive in there. Also, don't forget to also log on to my blog www.odategh.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's always peace.